Hello everybody. Today is June 20th and I'm at the LACC at the Juneteenth celebration. And right now, the door is open behind me. And where they're going to have the breakfast and what they're going to be eating and telling stories about how blacks was free. And I just came to the event and everything, and I just want to just get a chance to be able to share some of that. I'm sitting here waiting. The breakfast gonna start at 11:30, and it's beautiful because I want to learn as much as I possibly can about African American history, Native American history, and our history here in the United States of America as people of color. And I'm here to be able to celebrate that. So I'll be taking a few pictures. They're going to have a breakfast from 11:30 to 1:30, more like a lunch. And then from 3:30 to 6:30, they'll be having some dancing and some performance and stuff like that on the quad. Right now, I'm standing in front of it. The music, I have no copyrights to that. That's only music that they playing inside of the actual place where they fixing up right now for a breakfast. And I'll be attending that breakfast to hear what they have to say. Okay, so just thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And you see it says happy, and then it says Juneteenth, and then it says since 1865. Okay, and this is what's going to be held at the same place they had the prom. But I'll be doing a little bit of reporting about things that happened on the campus and how it turned out. Thank you. Have a great day. This is Paula Abdul. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. This is June 20th, 2023. Happy Juneteenth to everyone. I know that was yesterday, June 19th, but still happy Juneteenth to all the people who's watching. Have a great day. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Hello everybody. I want to talk about this hairstyle. This is my summer hairstyle. And it's a latch hook or interlock. And then I added a couple of clip-in extensions in it in order to give it highlights. But it took me a couple of hours to do it. And I just did it with Toy Kalon and Connect Kalon hair. And that's how I did it. I just bought the braided hair, and that was more silky, more baby fine, like Rasta Afri. And then I just did me a nice and wonderful hairline. And this is actually the strand by strand weave called a latch hook or a crochet. And I did my whole full head, and I did get some pictures of it. So you can get a chance to see what it looks like from front to back. And it's very full, and it's long, and it's full. And I just put a few little curls on the end to make it a little thicker and a little fuller. But this is a whole full head. And, this is the hairstyle I'm wearing today. And it has a couple of little light brown golden streaks in it. But this is the style I'm wearing for the summer. So, and I did my eyes with a light pink and a little blue on the outskirts. I did my lashes. My lashes are black, and then they have pink on the ends and everything. So that's how I did them. And I'll be taking some more pictures on the outside when I go outside when they have Juneteenth or whatever. But it was about 10 minutes before they had the breakfast or whatever. So I'm just going to, briefly talk about the hairstyle. And I also did my nails again. And as I also did them, they also have a $sign on the end. And then also the little fluffy nails. So I use that one for that particular, those pink nails, I use those for, and I shaped them, and I use those for the Juneteenth celebration instead of for the pageant. The pageant, I use the other design, but these are still press-ons, but I use the fuzzy little thing to match with my pink outfit. And my waistcoat sweater faces sash that I'm wearing. My Stay Queen sash. I have on, and just to get a better look at it, what it looks like. So that's it. And I'm wearing my pink outfit. I have my pink bangles and my jewelry, my necklaces and my earrings and everything to match. So today I'm just wearing a lot of pink, and I made my nails pink also, and everything. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and have a blessed day, a wonderful day. And I'm just out here, just being the queen, being the state queen that I am, and representing for the state of California, the city of Los Angeles, and also on YouTube. Also, as what's called Face Stay Queen, and I'm wearing that sash for today. And don't forget, this is Miss California. What's called Stay Queen is California. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Have a great, 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 great day. Thank you. Well, taking off that. Hello, hello, hello. So I'm inside of the event now. They're giving out Juneteenth bracelets. I got a black one. And I got a red one. I got a Juneteenth pen. And I got another Juneteenth pen. And we're going to be watching the movie. It's going to be called Juneteenth Faith and Freedom, a documentary from our Daily Bread Voices collection. And they're going to be also talking about some other things. And I also got me a Grills and Waffles coupon coming to this an amazing event. This is just they got it set up beautiful, and we're going to get a chance to see it and everything. So just don't forget how wonderful it is. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. We're here now. Thank you. This is what the table setups look like. Got Juneteenth, and then they got a big, the little continent that is a Juneteenth, is an 1865 freedom. And this is beautiful. Okay, I'm sitting at the table right in the very front where, the speech is going to be made. And then this is what it looks like. And this is all the people that's, attending the event. So it was some people who came. God bless and everything. So, notice it's all different ethnicities. Some black, some white, some Hispanic, some Asian, some Oriental, and stuff like that. So it's a lot of different people that's at the event. It's beautiful. Hello. Notice that it's a lot of different races, a lot of different ethnicities. It's not just only African American that celebrate Juneteenth. It's an American holiday, but it's a lot of people who come, and they also going to be serving some amazing dinners and some amazing food. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and have a wonderful day.